What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying, in today's video was about a few plays that may explode in the near future, guys. But hey, listen, if I helped you out in any way, whether I was helping you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay guys, it is the weekend, but on the weekend I like to put on your radar some plays just for you to maybe do your thing in, maybe a quick swing trade, maybe a future long-term potential trade. But nevertheless, guys, I want to take you guys down through here today, talk to you about a few plays that have been beaten down on one end, few plays are just going to continue to do its thing regardless of what's going on. But listen guys, if you haven't already, please consider joining us for this upcoming week options. Okay, I think we will have a chance for some early volatility on Monday so we can make some money off some puts, and then after that we'll be able to see the trend change in the market and do what we always do, okay, which is knock them out the park. Let me know down in the comments below, man, if you did your thing on this week. I always want to know about it, whether you made money with puts, whether you made money with calls, whether you made money swing trading, day trading. Listen, man, this is the stock market. There's always ways to be making some money around here, guys. I'm gonna continue to try to show up each and every day to show you those nuanced ways to do your thing. But nevertheless, guys, let's get to it. Okay guys, this one is ticker symbol SNAP, otherwise known as Snapchat, currently under $50, currently sitting at $49.61. Let's go look at this, guys. If we go out a week, it's down over 3.5%. If we go out a month, it is down over 5.5%. But check this out. If we go out 3 months, it is all down over 32%. Listen, guys, I can't tell you enough about finding deals in the market, okay? You have to go shopping when you see opportunity, okay? Now listen, this is down substantially. It is down at a level where, again, it's too attractive to pass up, or at least not take a flyer on, just to see into 2022 if you get some upside movement to this with some new earnings and things like that that may come down the pipe, okay? But I want to show you guys just some plays that are at levels that you're going to see a lot of money run into. So if you see some of your plays sell off, I'm showing you one play right here in which some of the money may pile into, and then they'll run this up. And don't miss out by just overlooking things that are beaten down and not buying here, but always buying when stocks are going to the moon. Remember, the name of the game is to buy low. If you are an investor out here, you want to make sure you are buying low, or buying when things are down, because you have a greater opportunity to make money in terms of buying when things are up. Most likely those plays are up. We love them because we made money off a lot of them, but the likelihood of them coming down is extremely high, okay? Look at this one, guys. Next one is Pinterest. Ticker symbol PINS. This one is currently sitting at $42.50. If we go out here, okay, guys, down 4.5% on the week. If we go out 1 month, down 6%, okay? And if we go out 3 months, they are down over 25%. Same thing, okay? Now listen, guys, you don't have to make these your forever plays, but I'm trying to show you and introduce you to some things that, at least in the short term, okay, if you catch these at a bottom, and then when the coast is clear in the market and everything starts to rally and the euphoria kicks back in, some of these plays will be along for the ride, guys. Don't miss the boat by overlooking things that are beaten down, because remember, the name of the game is to buy low. One more for you guys is Pfizer. Ticker symbol PFE, currently sitting at $54. Now I want you guys to put this on your radar for the simple fact of, when you have different variants that come into the equation, whether the Delta back when, whether the Omni now, okay, different things like that, notice how these plays perform. Notice how these plays particularly went up when everything else in the market was coming down. You always want to keep your eye on something that, again, combats against the things that might happen in the market, okay? I'll just take you down through this one. They were up 6% to close out a half day on Friday, but for the week they're up another 6%. on the past month, they're up 25%. You see what I mean in terms of just not showing you all beaten down plays. I'm also showing you plays that are up doing their thing and still has potential to run up, okay? And if I take you guys out 3 months, they're up nearly 17%, which is all as well. Listen guys, don't sleep on some of your healthcare plays because they might not always be performing, but there'll be certain times of the year, certain times when certain things happen that these will be your best performers. Always be strategic when you're setting up your portfolio. Always be strategic about the things you have a part of your portfolio, okay? Just in case you want to make sure you are in some of the winners when it's time to run, and that you are taking advantage of some of the more beaten down stocks that has been overdone on the sell side, okay? Listen guys, up next we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is panic sell. Listen guys, I want to make sure that as we close out the end of the year, I reintroduce some of our lingo, some of the things that you need to know as investors on your journey, okay? Panic selling is one of the things you want to make sure you stay away from, okay? Remember, as I have iterated in this video, you want to buy low. So don't all of a sudden start selling when everything start crashing. You sell when things are going up. That's how you lock in profit, okay? Don't get in a panic when things start selling off and then you sell too. You're just locking in a loss at that particular time, okay? Try to avoid panic selling at all costs because it can cost you, okay? Listen guys, you want to be measured. You want to have a trading plan. You want to know your exit. You want to know your entry. You want to know where you want to get in at and get out at, okay? It's very, very important that you do that, okay? Because that helps you avoid not to panic sell during tumultuous times, okay? Listen guys, I'm going to be right here to walk alongside you throughout this entire journey, dropping little nuggets on you to make sure that it's clicking, and it might take more time for others than some, but nevertheless the message will be pounded home consistently each and every day, guys. Panic sell is our word of the day. Listen guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.